Hello students, welcome to your new learning, to your new class. In this video, we are going to cover one of the very important topics of advanced writing skills, that is letter writing. What is a letter? How to write a letter? What are the important points to be kept in mind while writing a letter? Yes, what is the exact format of a letter? All these questions are going to be discussed here. What is a letter? A letter is a one-way communication which can be written for different purposes. If we talk about their styles, they are divided into two different styles. One is formal and other is informal letter. What is a formal letter? A formal letter is a letter which especially talks about the formal topics. They are classified in 4 different types. Letter to the editor, placing an order, complaint, inquiry. If we talk about letter of placing order, complaints and inquiry, they comes in the category of business letter. Letter to the editor talks about the problems of the reader or the writer, and the business letter talks about these different topics. Yes, placing order, complaint letter, inquiry about something, that comes in the category of business letter. They all are followed by some important points which are letter, whether that is a letter to the editor or it is a business letter, it should always answer these questions. The questions are: who are you writing the letter to? Reason for writing? Expected action. Yes, the format of a formal letter. You can see that I have written sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, body, and introduction, developing ideas, conclusion, and complimentary closure. You can see that very important thing is the body section. The body section should be taken care of very nicely. Yes, letters to the editor. The very first topic that to be kept in mind, what is to be written in a letter to the editor. These letters are written means of communication to the newspapers and magazines or other printed publications. They are written to grab the readers or the concerned authorities' attention to explain the problem, the state or the opinion. Except this, you are supposed to give your suggestions how to go with it. Yes, you have a solved sample question now. The solved sample question is given for my students so that all can see what is the exact format of writing a letter to the editor. What are the important points to be kept in mind while writing the answer? Yes, as you can see that I have given a set format which starts with the sender's address, then the date, then the receiver's address, and then the subject. After that, we have the salutation, and the content is asking whom are you writing the letter, what is the reason for writing the letter, developing your problem, and closing with yours sincerely and your sign. This sample question is for my students so that they all can read it and do it. It is about creating awareness towards health and hygiene among rural people. You are Madhav or Madhavi. You are supposed to write a letter to the editor about your topic. Hope you all are going to do it well in your registers. Thank you so much. Have a good day.